Hi everyone, I'm Verity Babs, the Artist Liaison here at Rise Art. In this video, I'm going to be explaining what shipping tables are, why you need them, how to set them up, how to calculate the cost of shipping to multiple international destinations, and how to assign shipping tables when you upload your artwork. Hopefully the video will explain all of the processes you need to get your shipping with Rise Art sorted. But if you do have any questions after watching the video, please do contact us at sellers@riseart.com and one of our team will be more than happy to help. So what are shipping tables? When you ship your work internationally, shipping costs will differ depending on the customer's location. For example, shipping to the UK will be one price, while shipping to Australia will be something completely different. The shipping table will lay out the individual cost of shipping to multiple locations. When you upload new artworks to your Rise Art profile, you'll need to assign one of your shipping tables so that we know how much to reimburse you. So why do you need shipping tables? Customers will be charged for shipping at the point they purchase an artwork. Your shipping tables will determine how much they pay for shipping. You'll be reimbursed in full for shipping depending on the prices that are outlined in your shipping tables. If you don't have a shipping table, you'll be reimbursed for your shipping based on Rise Art's standard shipping table. This will likely not cover your shipping costs and you'll be underpaid. Your shipping tables need to reflect how much it costs you to ship your artwork to the customer. For example, if you have 3 different artworks, one is a 100cm by 100cm stretch canvas, one is a 40cm by 40cm stretch canvas, and another is a 50cm by 50cm work on paper. Each artwork is different in size, so they'll cost different amounts to ship. You'll need to create a separate shipping table for various sizes of your artwork. This doesn't mean, however, that every artwork size you sell needs to have a specific shipping table. For example, a 90cm by 90cm canvas might use the shipping table for a 100cm by 100cm artwork, and a 30 by 40cm canvas might use your shipping table for 40 by 40 centimeters. We're now going to go through how to set up shipping tables on your profile. So first of all, you log into your seller console, select the Manage Settings, and then go to Manage Shipping. This is the shipping dashboard where you'll be able to view individual shipping tables once they've been created and edit them and add new tables. So first of all, we're going to add a new table. We now have the option whether we want to make this our default shipping table. The particular shipping table that will be assigned to the majority of your artworks should be your default. So, for example, the size most of your pieces are. When you upload new artworks, they will automatically be assigned to your default table unless a new one is given. So, for example, here, our main artwork type is going to be 100 by 100 centimeters on stretched canvas. You'll want to name the table something recognizable, something that you can easily identify with that shape or that weight. So this time we're going to go with 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters, canvases or large. We're going to leave the parent table. I'm going to press Save Table. The page now shows the default shipping table from Rise Art, which gives different countries and different regions and has our default pricing. These are the sections that you'll be changing by clicking Override. The base charge is what we'll be changing. Please leave the percentage charge empty. There are multiple shipping price comparison websites that you can use to calculate the cost of shipping. We recommend Transglobal Express, Interparcel, or Parcel Compare, but the best ones to use may vary depending on where you're based. For the example, I'm going to use Transglobal Express. So we're going to use the example of the 100 by 100 artwork from an artist based in the UK. So we've selected the location as the UK, and we're also going to send to the UK. We're sending one parcel. We'll say 8 for weight, 110 length, 110 height, and a width of 10 centimeters. And then we're going to press Get a Quote. They'll ask you to put in your postcode, so let's put in Buckingham Palace, just for the sake of it. Next, we're taken to the list of quotes they've given us. These vary with services, for example, Standard, Express, Next Day. Now, it might be tempting to put the highest price, but we'd advise against this, as high shipping costs might put customers off purchasing. Keep prices as competitive as possible. Instead, we recommend finding a middle ground. In the instance of shipping to Europe, shipping prices across Europe may vary, so we'd recommend calculating your prices in 2 stages. First, we'd recommend by beginning researching prices on shipping from your location to a country close to you. For example, if you're in the UK, that might be France. Here you'll see the list of prices, and again, we'd recommend choosing a middle ground price. Next, we'd recommend choosing a location in Europe that's further away from you. So for example, let's calculate for sending to Turkey. Now you can see whether the prices to send to this country matched your last search, so to France. If they do match, that will be an accurate price to charge for shipping to Europe. If not, find a middle ground between these two prices. You can, of course, double check the pricing with as many countries as you want to make sure that your European shipping charge is accurate. So now we can go back to our shipping table and find where it's written for Europe and override that, and the average price seems to be about £60. We'll save that rate. Next, what we'll go and do is change this and go back to see what the price is for America. So back on Transglobal, onto the United States, all areas, one parcel. So again, we look at the average prices and try and work out what our middle ground is going to be. We go back to our shipping table, go to North America and override this, and the average price seems to be about 70. If you're not based within the UK, you can of course calculate how much it's going to cost for you to send an artwork within that country. So for example, if you're based in Germany and you're sending within Germany, you can add a shipping rate, destination, Germany, base charge, let's say that's £10. We again ignore percentage charge and we save that rate. Once you're happy with the table, go back to details and press save table. And that is successfully updated. What we can then do is back in our managed shipping is set that table to our default if 100 by 100 canvases are the most regular thing that we're sending. Set as default. You'll then need to add a table for other size works. In this circumstance, let's do 40 by 40 centimetre canvases again. And let's call this medium, just as a note to ourselves. No parent table, and we save that table. For artworks that have been made on paper, these are going to be shipped in a tube. So for table name, let's put 50 centimetres by 50 centimetre tube. Let's call that medium and save that table. Shipping will be cheaper for tubes, so it's better to create a separate shipping table for these rather than using the same shipping table you use for canvases. Otherwise, you'll be overcharging for shipping. We're now going to go through how to assign a shipping table when you upload an artwork. So on your seller dashboard, you're going to want to go to Manage Artwork, Add Artwork, and go through the usual process. Now we can go to the shipping table section where it will come up with all the shipping tables that we've created. So for example, the 100 by 100 centimetre canvases has already been set as our default table. So let's say that we are going to use the 40 by 40 canvases. If we want to edit the shipping tables for an artwork that's already been uploaded, we simply go to Manage Artwork, find the artwork we want to change, click on Details and scroll down to Shipping Table. And this is where the options are to change it. Please don't hesitate to get in touch if you have any questions. You can contact us at sellers@riseart.com or at curators@riseart.com.